The RGKar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata became the backdrop of a horrific crime on August 9, 2024. A 31-year-old trainee doctor, full of promise and dedication to her profession, was brutally raped and murdered within the institution's walls. The incident, which took place in a seminar hall, sent shockwaves across the nation, raising serious concerns about the safety of women, especially within educational institutions. The victim, whose identity remains protected, was pursuing her dream of becoming a doctor, a dream tragically cut short. The case immediately grabbed national headlines, highlighting the vulnerability of women in a society grappling with deep-rooted patriarchal norms. Public outrage erupted, demanding swift justice for the victim and her grieving family. The incident served as a stark reminder of the urgent need for systemic change to ensure the safety and security of women in all spheres of life. The gruesome nature of the crime, committed within the supposed safe confines of a medical college, shook the collective conscience of the nation. The incident prompted immediate action from law enforcement agencies. Kolkata police launched an investigation, determined to bring the perpetrators to justice. The pressure was immense, with public anger mounting and demanding results. The case took an unexpected turn when, due to mounting public pressure and a Calcutta High Court order, the investigation was transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation, or CBI, on August 13, 2024. The transfer to the CBI, however, did little to quell the public's anxieties. Instead, it fueled speculation about a potential cover-up and the involvement of influential individuals. The case became a political flashpoint, with various parties trading accusations and using the tragedy to further their agendas. Amidst the political turmoil, the victim's family waited, hoping for justice for their daughter. The investigation, initially handled by the Kolkata police, quickly focused on Sanjay Roy, a 28-year-old civic volunteer associated with the Kolkata police. He was apprehended on August 10, 2024, just a day after the crime. CCTV footage from the medical college, coupled with a Bluetooth earphone discovered near the victim's body, allegedly linked Roy to the crime scene. Roy's arrest, while a significant development, did not signal the end of the investigation. As the CBI took over, the scope of the investigation widened, leading to 2 more arrests. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RGKar Medical College, and Abhijit Mandal, the former officer in charge of the Tala police station, were taken into custody. They were charged with tampering with evidence and potential involvement in a larger conspiracy surrounding the crime. This development further fueled public suspicion about a potential cover-up, indicating that the crime involved more than met the eye. The arrests of Ghosh and Mandal, however, faced a setback when the CBI failed to file charge sheets against them within the stipulated 90-day period. This lapse allowed both accused individuals to secure bail, casting a shadow of doubt over the CBI's handling of the case. The victim's family expressed their disappointment, questioning the CBI's commitment to uncovering the truth. They believed that releasing Ghosh and Mandal prematurely could jeopardize the case. The trial commenced under a shroud of secrecy, deemed an in-camera proceeding, on November 11 and 12, 2024. Over the course of the trial, which concluded on January 9, 2025, the prosecution presented their case, calling upon 50 witnesses to testify. The charges against Sanjay Roy were formally framed on December 4, 2024. The verdict, eagerly awaited by the nation, was scheduled to be delivered on January 18, 2025, by Additional District and Sessions Judge Anirban Das at the Sealdah Court. Throughout the investigation, trial, and the long wait for the verdict, the victim's family remained steadfast in their pursuit of justice. They firmly believe that the investigation remains incomplete, pointing to inconsistencies and what they perceive as deliberate oversights. A critical point of contention is the presence of multiple DNA profiles, 4 men and 2 women found at the crime scene. This discovery, according to the family, suggests the involvement of more individuals than those currently implicated. Adding to their anguish, the family alleges that crucial evidence has either been mishandled or gone missing. They question the thoroughness of the investigation, suspecting a deliberate attempt to shield influential individuals who might be implicated in the crime. The family's distrust in the investigation deepened when the CBI failed to consult them before filing the charge sheet, further alienating them from a process that was supposed to deliver justice for their daughter. The family's frustration is palpable. They feel let down by the system, perceiving a lack of transparency and a potential effort to downplay the gravity of the crime. They have openly criticized the CBI for not filing a supplementary charge sheet against Ghosh and Mandal, despite what they believe is compelling evidence of their involvement. This lack of action, they argue, points towards a miscarriage of justice. The family remains resolute in their pursuit of the truth. They have expressed their readiness to wage a prolonged legal battle, determined to ensure that all those responsible for their daughter's tragic demise are held accountable. Their fight is not just for their daughter, but for all women in India who deserve to live and pursue their dreams without fearing for their safety. They represent the countless voices demanding a safer society where justice is served without fear or favor. The nation holds its breath as the day of the verdict arrives. The Sealdah court, usually abuzz with legal proceedings, is shrouded in an atmosphere of anticipation and anxiety. Security is heightened, with over 100 police personnel deployed to manage the expected large crowds and potential protests. The case has stirred strong emotions, and the verdict, regardless of its outcome, is likely to spark reactions from various quarters. The verdict in this case holds immense significance, extending far beyond the confines of the courtroom. It represents a test of India's commitment to women's safety and its ability to deliver justice in the face of heinous crimes. A guilty verdict, while bringing a sense of closure to the victim's family, will hopefully serve as a deterrent against future atrocities. However, it is equally important to acknowledge that true justice encompasses more than just punishment. The RGKar rape and murder case has exposed the deep cracks in our system. It has highlighted the urgent need for comprehensive reforms, not just in law enforcement, but also in societal attitudes towards women. The case underscores the need for a multi-pronged approach that includes stricter laws, swifter justice, and most importantly, a change in the patriarchal mindset that allows such crimes to occur. The verdict, while crucial, is just one step in a long and arduous journey towards ensuring justice and safety for women in India. It is a stark reminder that the fight for a just and equitable society continues. The nation watches, waits, and hopes that the scales of justice tip in favor of truth and accountability, paving the way for a safer future for its women.